Hey, what's up guys? John here from Blackjack Contracting. I'm the host of the REI Contractor Show. On today's episode, we're going to cover interior waterproofing. We get a lot of questions about this, so I figured we got a perfect situation to show you what's going on here. Now, the difference between interior waterproofing and exterior waterproofing is price, and that's why most people choose to do an interior method. It's usually about half the price. The only difference is on interior, you're controlling the water. So we are allowing water in, but we're controlling it. Where on the exterior, we're actually controlling it from coming out. You'll see right here, we got this beautiful dimple board product, and what that's done, that's stapled to the foundation here, which is a block foundation, which is one of the worst ones for leaking water through. And what happens is if the water does leak through the block, it's going to run behind the dimple, because behind this plastic, there's a corrugated layer which allows air space and for water to flow down here. And you'll notice here, along here, you'll see that there's fresh concrete here. So we dig a foot trench, we put a weeping tile pipe with a weeping sock around, and we lay it in the trench. We fill it with gravel, and we allow this drainage board to go through to the ground, allow it to collect into the weeping sock. Once we do that, it's all routed to a sump pump, which is ejected out to the backyard. The sump pump does not get tied into the plumbing system. It actually gets ejected to the outside. That's why you'll see a pipe and a lead out. This is a pretty good method. It works out to being something like $70 a linear foot, depending on who you're working with. So again, usually a project, this is a bungalow, it's about 1,000 square feet. Usually a project like this works out to be between $9,000 and $11,000 with a sump pump. It does actually require its own permit. Now this one, because it's getting a permit for a duplex conversion, we can mix it all in with the same one, but normally it would require a permit. And you'll see over here, as we go through here, that it connects to a block wall, which is on the interior, which we don't have to continue. So nowadays, we're seeing a lot more water problems than we used to. Even if you don't see water, look for signs that there was water coming in the beginning. And I know it's a big hit of spending that money up front, but if you can imagine, when rainy season comes and all of a sudden we do this beautiful brand new basement and it gets wrecked by water, it's really something I would consider nowadays. And it's something I would budget for. So that was today's episode. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.